Hi guys, so I have a question for you. Do you feel like your hair is growing slowly or is breaking off or just not looking as full as you want your hair to look? What if you could give your hair a natural boost from your kitchen? Yeah, you heard me right, from your kitchen. In today's video, I am showing you how I make this powerful hair growth oil using just two ingredients which you can find in your kitchen, and that is onions and cloves. This hair growth oil strengthens roots, it encourages hair growth and bring back hair to life. Let's dive in. So I begin with one medium-sized onion. I chop it into smaller pieces so it releases all its nutrients. Then I go ahead to add it to my blender because I'm going to be blending this to get all the nutrients from the onions. Next, I go ahead to add cloves. I use 5 tablespoons of cloves because I wanted to make a lot of oil. Cloves has a lot of benefits for hair growth and scalp health, so I use 5 teaspoons of it. Then I go ahead to pour in my carrier oil. You can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, or any oil you prefer. Today I am using olive oil for its nourishing properties. I gently pour in the oil into the mixture. Then I ensure the cloves and onions are well mixed with the oil. Then I'm just going to cover it and go ahead to blend.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
After blending, I go ahead to pour the mixture into my pot and I'm going to let it infuse on the lowest heat for 25 minutes. Make sure you keep the heat very gentle. You want the aroma to fill the hair without burning anything. Infusing this with the heat method allows the oil to absorb all the beneficial compound from the onion and the cloves, so you want to make sure you keep your heat very low. That way you're not going to burn your oil.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So one of the signs to know your oil is ready is when the color changed to a darker brown. So at this point, you're just going to turn off your heat and let it cool down completely. Then you go ahead and strain it. You need to strain out the oil because you don't want the onions or the cloves particle on your strands when you're using this oil.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever.
I go ahead to pour the oil into a dry clean container and I'm going to store it in a dry place for it to last up to 1 month without going bad. Remember, there's no preservative in this oil, so you need to store it well. You can use this oil as a sealant, as a hot oil treatment. You can add it to your hair butter, you can add it to your hair mask, You can use it directly on your scalp and just give it a good massage without rinsing it off. You can use this oil 2 to 3 times a week for best result. This hair growth oil is good in promoting hair growth and stopping hair fall. If you enjoyed this video and want more natural hair care tip, please like this video, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.